Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, at the time of recording the video, as you can clearly see, the market has filled the gap here. We have been talking about this gap for quite some time because we know it very well that market doesn't like gaps. And yesterday also we discussed that there is a high chance that market will try to fill the gap. And now at the time of recording the video, we can clearly see that the gap has been filled. So if you have experience of trading gaps, because gap trading is not very easy, gap trading. So if you have any experience of trading gaps, after some time you can try to look for a quick sell opportunity here. Okay. But right now we can see the market sentiment is, I won't say that extremely bullish, but yes, market is showing signs of recovery here. Because if we look at the present market sentiment, gold holds gain despite rising oil prices. Gold gains on hopes of de-escalation in Middle East conflict. I was going through some articles and I understood one thing clearly. The market has digested this whole thing. As we all know, market has a very good digestion. Okay. Remember when the war between USA and not USA, Russia and Ukraine broke out? The market was crazy. Gold was extremely bullish. Gold was flying. But after a few weeks, gold stopped responding. Okay. Similarly, in all the major crises, okay, you will see that if the thing continues for a couple of days and weeks, at one point market stop responding. And here also we are seeing the same thing because the tension or the war between USA and Iran has been going on for quite some time and market has been responding pretty well. But now as it is going on for quite a number of days, so slowly we can clearly see the market has stopped responding to it. If something big happens, then obviously we will see a direct impact or direct reaction from the market. But sadly, okay, if we see that USA has attacked Iran again, Iran has attacked the US bases, then market may not respond again because market has understood one thing pretty well that this thing is about to continue for the next couple of days. Okay, so gold is trying to recover because whenever the tension was escalating between USA and Iran, oil prices were going up and gold was going down. But now you can see that gold is trying to recover here. Keep in mind that we are not talking about trend reversal here because we have discussed plenty of times in our previous videos also. For trend reversal, gold needs to cross, sorry about the mouse, 4250 and then 44400. If gold breaks 4400, then only we will have a trend reversal. Okay, and the first bumper will be 4250 and ultimate will be 4400. Until unless gold crosses 4400, whatever we will see on the chart will be temporary. Right now, the up move that we are seeing on the gold right now is also a temporary move. So where are the trading opportunities then? So whatever we discussed on gold yesterday, they did pretty well. In fact, whatever we discussed on the group also, they also did pretty well. If you're still not a part of our WhatsApp community, feel free to join. You don't need to pay any fees. Just need to open your trading account under our referral, okay, and just make a deposit of $200 so that you can trade and we can earn some commission. That's it. Okay. So today, the first trading opportunity is the box here, the support. The support is still very much present. Okay. 4040 and 50. This one is not working pretty well. Okay. Sorry about the handwriting here. So the support zone is still very much valid, but as I've already mentioned in the group also, that keep in mind that this support is no longer a very strong support like yesterday. This is a minor support. If you see market coming down with low volume, small candles, then you can expect it to work. Okay. Otherwise, the best support for the day is around four 4027 and 22. So 402722 is the mm, not, I won't say ultimate support. Okay, this is the second support. Personally, I will be observing. Why are we considering? Because 402722 is the previous resistance working as support. This one. So I feel that today market will try to take the liquidity around 404050 and market will come down to 2722. If it does, we can look for a buy position here. But if market comes down with small candles, means low volume, then we can expect this support to work again. Two support levels, but 2722 is a better level. But my dear friends, do not forget, no level is permanent. In case something crazy happens, use your common sense. Okay. Okay. And right now, as you can see, market is filling the gap here. Okay. And the more is the market sentiment is also a little bit on the bullish side. Okay. So today you can see here, okay, we can look for a buy around 4100, means, see, right now market is trading around 411520. So if market comes down, take support on 4100, means same concept, the previous resistance working as support, we can look for a buy position. Okay, as I've already mentioned many times, that always keep in mind, suppose market breaks 4100 and takes support at 4190, it means that the market has still respected the support, because these levels work as zones in the market, not a precise level. So 4100, 4195, 4095 is another level where you can look for a buy position if market takes support. You can see here, means buying at pullback. And right now market is trading here, and you can clearly see that if you are planning to buy here, not a good idea, because you will be chasing the market. Okay, so it will be better for us to buy at pullback if market takes support. Yes, everything is subjective. Okay, this is trading after all. Okay, nothing is absolute. But during the day, okay, I feel that there is a possibility that after some pullback, market will be going up again. Okay, observe the market. Okay, because the next direction of the market is going to be very important. And as I always say, okay, stay in touch with the news as well. The news is going to play a major role. Okay, though market has stopped responding to the not, I won't have not responding much to US and Iran, but if anything big happens, then obviously we will see a direct impact here. So buy around 404050, 4050 if market comes down with low volume. The better support is 4027, 4022. And right now, as we can see, market has already filled the gap. After hitting 4121, market is coming down. I feel most of you have missed it. Okay, and obviously this is a high risk also. Okay, I have also not taken any sell position here. So if market takes support in a 4100, 4090 area, we can look for a buy there as well. Means buying at pullback. Let's wait and watch.